At 7 p.m. tomorrow, they will be having dinner. Hello, viewers. How are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today, we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. By the end of the week, the tourists will be visiting all the major tourist attractions. Next month, the students will be taking their final exams. In 2040, the world will be running on renewable energy. On Friday evening, I will be meeting my friends for dinner. At 12 p.m. tomorrow, the train will be arriving at the station. This summer, my family will be going on vacation to the beach. Next year, my sister will be graduating from college. In 10 years, I will be working as a software engineer. By the end of the year, the students will have finished their research project. Tomorrow evening, my friends and I will be watching a movie at the cinema. Next week, the scientists will be testing the new vaccine. This weekend, I will be staying at home and relaxing. In the future, robots will be doing many of the jobs that are currently done by humans. At 10 a.m. tomorrow, the meeting will be starting. This afternoon, my parents will be visiting my grandparents. Next month, the company will be releasing its new product. In 20 years, the world will be a very different place. Tomorrow morning, the sun will be rising at 6 a.m. This evening I will be cooking dinner for my family. When you come to my house tomorrow, I will be cooking dinner. In the next few years, the number of people living in cities will be increasing. If you want to get to the airport on time, you should be leaving now. I am not sure what I will be doing this weekend. The new teacher will be meeting her class for the first time tomorrow. I am sure you will be having a great time at the party tonight. The train will be arriving at the station in about 15 minutes. My parents will be going on vacation next month. The children will be doing their homework in the living room. The construction workers will be working on the new bridge next week. I will be going to the doctor tomorrow morning. The students will be taking their final exams in a few weeks. The weather will be bad tomorrow, so we should cancel our picnic. I will be starting my new job next week. The meeting will be starting at 10 a.m. I will be sending you a message later today. The new restaurant will be opening next month. I will be finishing my homework tonight. The plane will be taking off at 12 p.m. The sun will be rising at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. I'm not sure what to wear to the party tonight. What do you think I should be wearing? I'm really looking forward to the new movie coming out next week. I will be seeing it on opening night. I am going to be really busy tomorrow, so I won't be able to help you with your project. The tourists will be visiting the Grand Canyon tomorrow. I will be going to bed early tonight so I can be well rested for work tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.